Hey everyone, hi! I'm excited to share what we're building. This project is called Vestige, and it's about fixing something that almost everyone in crypto has experienced: broken token launches. Token launches today don't reward belief, they reward hype, speed, and insider access. Whales signal early and snipe supply. Late users end up becoming exit liquidity. Every action is public, which makes manipulation easy. And in many cases, creators can dump tokens before any real value exists. What we call price discovery today is mostly just manufactured momentum. When we looked deeper, we realized the problem isn't tokenomics, it's timing and visibility. Capital commitment and token ownership happen at the same time, in public. That makes launches easy to game. So we asked a simple question: what if commitment happened privately and markets only opened after real demand was proven? That's what Vestige is. Vestige is a privacy-preserving, commitment-first token launch protocol. Participants commit capital privately, without receiving tokens immediately. Public markets open only after a clear graduation point is reached. Early believers are rewarded through weighted allocation, not speed or bots. There's no pump, no sniping, and no early dumps, because tokens don't exist yet. Here's how Vestige works in practice. A user starts by funding an ephemeral account. This transaction is public, but unlinkable. From there, all commitment logic runs privately inside a magic block ephemeral rollup. Commitment amounts, timing, and total demand stay completely hidden. No whale signaling, no front running. Once the launch reaches its graduation target, Vestige triggers allocation. Tokens are minted and distributed on Solana, weighted in favor of early supporters. Only after that does the market become public. Vestige is powered by Magic Block. Magic Block allows us to run commitment logic privately inside a trusted execution environment, while settling securely on Solana. It gives us privacy, low latency, and a seamless user experience. Simply put, Magic Block is what makes Vestige possible. Vestige brings fairness back to token launches by letting belief lead and markets follow. Thank you.
Welcome to Vestige, a privacy-preserving token launchpad on Solana. First, I'll connect my wallet, in this case, my Phantom wallet. Once the wallet is connected, I go to the launch page, where I can create a new token launch. For demo purposes, I'll use quick test mode, which automatically fills in all the launch parameters. Here you can see total token supply, graduation target, minimum and maximum commitment, launch duration. I click create launch, and the launch is created successfully. Now I receive a unique PDA, which represents this launch on Solana. Using this PDA, I can open the detailed launch page. This is the launch detail page. The first thing a creator does after launching is enable private mode. Private mode ensures that no one can see commitment amounts, timing, or participant data. I click enable private mode, approve the transactions. And once it completes, boom, the launch switches from public to private. At this point, all sensitive state is delegated to Magic Block's ephemeral rollup running inside a TE. Key point: user wallets themselves can't be delegated, so Vestige uses ephemeral SOL accounts, which are program-owned PDAs. Now I'll switch to a different wallet and act as a user. As a user, I come to the same launch page. I can now commit SOL, but this happens privately. I enter 0.5 SOL and click confirm. You'll notice multiple transactions here. This is because ephemeral SOL accounts are delegated. The commit runs inside once the process finishes, the commitment is complete. Now I click query my commitment. Here you can see two views. Ephemeral rollup ER shows my 0.5 SOL commitment. Solana shows nothing. This proves that the commitment exists privately inside the TE, but is completely invisible on public Solana. Now I'll switch back to the creator wallet. Once the launch duration ends and the graduation time is reached, the creator clicks graduate and settle to Solana. This triggers an atomic operation inside the ephemeral rollup. Commitments are finalized. Delegated accounts are undelegated. After that, the creator clicks finalize graduation, which syncs the aggregated totals back to Solana. At this point, boom, the launch is graduated, and everything becomes public. Now I switch back to the user. After graduation, my commitment still exists privately, so I need to sync it to Solana. I sync my commitment to public Solana. Undelegate my ephemeral SOL account. Sweep the SOL into the vault. Key point: Vestige uses a non-writable signer pattern. The ephemeral rollup doesn't deduct fees from signers, so signers are marked read-only for safety. Once that's done, my commitment is fully settled. Allocation and claim. Now I go to my commitments. Here I can see that I committed 0.5 SOL. Next, I click calculate allocation. Boom, I can now see total tokens allocated. Finally, as the creator, I can withdraw the collected SOL. I switch back to the creator view and click withdraw collected SOL, is transferred to the creator's wallet.